Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Gonna make a quick unboxing of this Cooler Master MWE Gold 650 V2 fully modular PSU. So it's an 80 plus gold certified ATX power supply, 5 years warranty DC to DC. So other than that, all good here. All good here. So let's see the specs. So we have a 120mm silent fan, typical efficiency of 90% above. And the connectors we have one ATX 24 pin, EPS 4 plus 4 pin 1 of it, EPS 8 pin 1, PCIe 6 plus 2 pin times 2, SATA times 2, then peripheral 4 pin times 1, and then all of which are all the ports are 111484. Without further ado, let's unbox this. We bought this at around 400 ringgit, I think, brand new. So without further ado, let's have a look inside. This manual I'm gonna throw it away first. This is the let's not get it out first. So these are the cables. As you can see, these are the units inside. They are pretty long, so as you can see, this is fully modular. And then we have the screws here for the PSU, and then also the wire, no protector, and then the PSU itself. So it's packaged very heavy, 120mm fan. So yeah, that's the quick unboxing of this PSU. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you find it useful. And I will catch you guys next time. Bye bye.